our wedding. Good to see you here.
It looks like you're both very busy from all the preparations.
Yeah, that's right, Mr. Engano. Still so much left to do. Kaya nga, umirit ako dito kay Era kung pwede pa bang mag-back out sa kasal din kita.
Era, kamusta ka na?
Hindi ba dapat ikaw yung kinukumusta? But it seems like you're doing just fine. Alam mo, maswerte ka. Because Renan was there to save your life. If it weren't for him, who knows what could have happened, right? I just hope that you show gratitude to those who deserve it.
Eh, hindi ko naman nakakalimutan yung ginawa ni Ate ni Alon. Teka, di ba yan yung relo na kinuha ng hold-upper sa'yo? Paano sa'yo na ibalik yan? Oo nga. Kamukhang kamukha yan nung watch na nakuha ng hold-upper.
What are they talking about? Totoo ba yung sinasabi ni Lilith and Trixie na kasama yung relo na yan sa na-hold up?
If that's stolen, how can you be wearing it?
How in the world am I wearing this?
Kung talagang smart si Era, she'd realize Renan's wearing the very watch na kinuha ng hold-upper. Oh, I really hope that your fiancé figures it out, Renan. When that happens, tignan ko lang kung paano ka makakalusot.